So welcome to this new video. Today we're actually going to fly the drone, the DJI Neo 2, for the first time. First I have to go to some prep steps because living in the Netherlands means you have to comply to the regulations here. So let's do that together. Then I will give you some info on what you actually can and cannot do here. And then we're just gonna go somewhere and fly. Let's see.
First you need to register yourself as a drone operator with the RDW. This is required because the drone has a camera. After registering, you receive an operator ID. You must place this ID visible on your drone. Here are the rules. You have to register as an operator, put that operator ID on the drone. You can only fly with a max of 120 meters. You always should be able to see it. You can only fly during daytime and you cannot fly over crowds. You don't need a license. If you want to do more, you need a license.
So the last things you need to do, make sure all your batteries and drone is updated to the latest firmware. Otherwise you cannot start. You first have to update your firmwares for everything before you can actually fly. Let's make sure everything is updated and then see you in the field.
First I tested it while it was flying in front of me. Yeah, the camera is good, but maybe I should smile a little bit more. I set up my controller, attach my phone, and I'm gonna try to fly. So, like you can see, it's on the bench. Let's see if I can get it in front of me. A little bit blurred, but that's what the camera sees. And there it's hovering above the field, filming me. Now I let it fly. It's a little bit windy, but on the captured film, it doesn't even show. I'm trying to turn it a little bit and then try to fly to myself and see if I'm able to control the position of the drone. So controlling is not that difficult. You have to get a little bit the hang of it. And now I try to fly away and make some altitude. I'm really terrified if I lose it, but let's just try and see. And like I say, it's not the best weather. It's a little bit windy. And even if it's windy, it still controls and is very smooth. First I gain a little bit of height, turn around and see the environment. And then I will proceed to get even higher. And that will be enough for today. Can't wait until the spring comes. Here you see I try to find myself. It's not that easy. I have to get the hang of getting it back to the home point because now it was trying to land in the middle of the field. When walking back home, I try to let it fly in front of me. Here you can hear the sound it makes. It's a little bit noisy, but when it's far away, you don't even hear it.
So, how was the first flight? Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Was a little bit terrified, of course, because I was afraid of losing it. But that's how it goes. You have to learn. I live in the Netherlands in a place called the Utrechtse Heuvelrug. It's like a big hill in the middle of a flat land. Maybe I can take some nice footage of it and show you guys more about the surrounding here. Especially, I think it's really nice in the spring. So see you in the next video. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe.